Hey guys, welcome back to Four-Wheel Driver's Life. Today I'm going to show you the new off-road lightings from NOVSIGHT. It's called the Halo series. This one I'm getting is the 3-inch triangular shaped LED lights. In this video I'm going to unbox, show you what comes within the box in terms of all the parts, and also I'm going to install it on my Toyota Tundra together with the aux beam switch panel, and I'm going to show you how you can wire it to your switch panel instead of using the factory harness. Then in the end, I'm going to show you how the light compares in terms of output performance compared to my Diode Dynamics SS3 Fog Pro and the Baja Design Squadron Pro white combo pattern lights. When you open up the box, there is a whole bunch of stickers, which is nice because I love stickers. I'm just gonna speed up this section because it doesn't really have anything to do with lights. Alright, moment of truth. 2 lights in the box. Got wire harness in the bag. Very well packaged. Lots of wires.
Hardware bracket and the DT connector from the light. I'm assuming it's DT.
I must say that these lights look really nice, especially that triangular shape and that ring of daylight running light or backlighting. That's in amber. That's really awesome in my opinion. Here I'm giving you an all-around angle of the light so that you will get a perspective of how the light is built in terms of quality and the shape and the dimension as well. Turning the lights all around for you. There's a pigtail coming out of the light instead of a direct plug like Diode Dynamics does. And the light cover is amber. They also have a black light cover just in case some states require you to cover up the light when you're not using it. They just clip on right very easily. I like how they put protective film over the lens for all the light and the cover. Because I love taking the film out. I love hearing that sound like this. So in the wiring harness bag, it's a lot of wires, which has included the a little switch that you can use to switch between the amber and white LED for the backlight, and also the main switch for the LED light itself. I'm not going to be using that because I'll be using my aux beam for that. But then if you don't have a light switch panel and just these lights, it's a very good amount of it's a very good set of wirings. blue wire is for the white DRL, so I didn't need that. I wanted the amber DRL. And then I connected the yellow wires from both sides to one terminal positive and the main positive, main negative to another terminal. So that completes the wiring section. It gets fairly warm just by putting my hand right in front of the lights. So here's a comparison of the NOVSIGHT to the Diode Dynamics fog and Baja design combo. The NOVSIGHT is in combo pattern, so it has one spot and two flood. As you can see here, it lights up the building right in front of me pretty good. Now here's a Diode Dynamics SS3 Pro fog. As you can see, the fog is very wide and focused down low and not affecting the buildings further away. Here is the Baja Designs combo pattern. In my opinion, it's a very good competitor for the NOVSIGHT combo pattern. As shown here, it's much wider than the NOVSIGHT. However, it doesn't have as much of a reach to the NOVSIGHT compared to the NOVSIGHT because there's no spot pattern in the combo lens of the Baja designs. This is what they both look like right in front of the truck. They look very similar in terms of color temperature and just general usability. And now I'm just turning on just the backlight, which is the halo, amber halo effect of the light pod, which is, in my opinion, very cool. It matches the style of my truck, and it matches the style probably of any off-road trucks for that matter. Alright, if you like what you see, the link to the product is in the video description below. Please use 4-Wheel Drive is Life, one word, as discount code to save you some money, and that helps me a lot in terms of getting my channel recognized from NOVSIGHT. Alright, thank you for watching and have a good one.